Hello and welcome to Ecom Premium. Today we will see what are assets. Here you can see we have assets and we do have .css and .js files available in assets theme section of theme code. So we'll read more about it. So the assets are called like section assets in assets section of theme. Here we have JavaScript and style sheets files available in the theme code section. Now we'll see the JavaScript tag can be used to include JavaScript for a section, and we do have in the JavaScript tag across all sections is concatenated into a single file by Shopify and then injected into the theme through the content for header liquid object. The file is asynchronously loaded through a script tag with the defer object. And here in style sheet, the style sheet tag can be used to include CSS style for a section. And in here we have CSS files concatenated into the style sheet object. In the Shopify theme section here, you can see we do have some tips available in the style sheet where we do have some assets available. Each section can only have one style sheet tag. Having more than one will result in an error. So we can contain more than one style sheet in a section, and the content for from style sheet tag across all sections is concatenated into a single file by Shopify and then injected into the theme through the content for header global liquid object. So this is like what we got in style sheet section, assets in the theme code of Shopify. So now we'll look at more precisely, more physically how we are dealing with it in the store. So here you see we do have assets in the theme OS 2.0. Assets files comes with base.css for custom CSS coding. So here we are on the store, live store on Shopify. So we are on the home page. So here you can see we do have this feature collection title. We are inspecting this, and now you can see that this is h2.title class, and in here we will see that what class associated with this title. So here you see we got the class, and we are just copying this class from here. Before copying, you should check that you got the right class that is doing work and that is connected, so you are being sure. So here we are checking with giving a different size, so we'll see that if it works or not. So you see so we'll change this with font size. We'll make it font size, so we'll see if it works or not. So you see that it's not applying on this class, so we're just copying this tag for given size, and we'll try on some different classes in the same section here. You have to see that how it's connected and how if it is working, so we can give the right class. So we are now going to base.css here in the assets, so you will have a clear concept of access, what assets are doing. So in here we are just copying the class here. We'll just paste the class here, and then we'll give the CSS values we want to give to the specific class. So I think we are just missing something, that is like we'll be just saving it, and now we'll see if it works or not, if the class size has changed or not. You have to work a lot on your classes and sections. So you see it's not working, right? So we'll be just again trying to find the class for this feature collection. Here we will check the reason that why it's not applying on this specific class. We have again inspect this class, and now you see we have got the class, and this class was here on this title. And in this class we do have another class that is h2 associated with it. So here you see, okay, here you see that h2.title is coming, right? So in here you see, we'll check. So you have to face these things while doing CSS. So here we'll check the title. It's space h2, and then again we'll save it and we'll see if it works or not. Don't worry about not getting the exact result, because sometimes you are at the beginning stage and you are doing the CSS and you are not getting the right solution. So you have to check with experts, just like we are providing here the solutions. You can simply reach out to our YouTube and we'll have more than 500 plus tutorials. So here we'll check again what is the class. So basically the class is you have to inspect and you have to check the right class. So in here we'll try here with the font size. So if it works, so this will be our right class. So we are just giving it 19 pixels. So yes, it works. So we'll go with this class. You see the title font size has applied and it has increased. So this one is the right class. So we'll just copy this and then again we'll refresh it. So you see it's in your default position. So we'll be just replacing this class with the class we found that works. So here you see, and the font should be the 60 pixel. Now we'll check again. So in OS, if you are in OS 2.0 theme, then you have to work on base.css in order to get the custom CSS coding. So we'll be refreshing it now. And you see the title of the collection has been increased with the same font we just gave in the assets section. So this is how we are working with the assets inside the theme. So you see here, if you want to make some different CSS, if we are using it for one collection, if you are giving a default class, then it will be working on all classes. So you have to look into it. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube. And so this was the video on how assets works, what are the function of assets. The purpose was you have to know about assets and how to implement custom CSS. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.